Everyone, welcome to part 2 of the Wild Kingdom, Piratix Wild Kingdom unboxing of everything. If you want to see part 1, it's on my channel. So yeah, let's just begin. 1 packs. Right. Who are you? Oh, it's the flipping playset checklist. Grrr. Right, I should probably have a checklist open so I can see who anyone is. Sammy Thompson, right? This is Sammy Thompson. Yes. 4 pack. This is the one with Handsome Harold in, who seems like a delightful chap. Oh my! Come on, right over that behind you. That's an obscure reference. Mitch Buchanan. Not much to say about him. We already have him. Ooh, who are you? Checklist. Do I still need to advertise the playsets on the back? Is that entirely necessary? Right. Who are you? String Thing. That sounds more like a Super Zing name, to be frank. Right. Handsome Harold. Yep. Pretty damn handsome. Boogie Boing. Pretty sure that's that a dupe. No. They look very similar, but that's a different colour of him. He's got a nice design. Right. Oh well, in the Amazon box. How delightful. Let's just, in fact, let's put all the stuff in there I don't currently need in the Amazon box of doom. Right, captain pack. Haven't need all ash. Right, got another mantisy looking jungle buggy. Really don't know what the difference is, honestly. Let's have a look actually, because I record these all in one, but is it literally just the difference in colour? No, they changed the weapon, so it's like Sea Speeders, except a lot more blatant. But they're just reusing the same model. Good. Just getting together the bits for the crossbow and the buggy. Right. Flippin' heck. So this is supposed to have, which one is these? Right, yeah. So the crossbow, so you have these like 2 golden bits you have to put on the side, which it's nice to have a bit of gold, bit of gold. Can't get them to click weirdly. How bizarre. Pretty sure they are all the same model. Right, yeah, and then let's just get you to go on it, and then let's go and destroy things. Hooray! Why is that not working? Oh, there we go. Ready to push down on it with force, and the side's falling off. Joy! There we go, clicked. Wow! Oh, it missed the screen. Right, where's the mantisy thing? There's like a mantis saw and a mantis something else. I'm not sure which is which, frankly. Because they just look so similar. Like, in case you don't know, Sea Speeders do the same thing. Well, where out for 6, 2, each 2 who will use the same model, and they just changed the weapon. However, Sea Speeders, it's a lot harder to notice. But these are just blatant. They've just cloned the mantis. But Yeah, you can see different weapons. Oh, come on. Why is this not... There we go. Right. There they both are. Good. Next. One pack. Not a single pack, it's a one pack. Right, Tommy Hawk, I'm pretty sure that is. Nice. So the reason I get the one packs, because outside of King Camo, you're guaranteed to get everyone if you just get all the cat packs in 4 packs. It just feels wrong if I didn't. It just feels so wrong. Harry Spotter, dupe. Whoa. Oh, this is the brother, father, maybe, of, what's his face, off of Golden Treasure. Will Hunter. This is, Eugene Hunter. He's actually really cool. I like him. 4 pack. Right. Let's see if I can do what I did with me Crazy Jungle unboxing and got Wild Mask in a 4 pack. See if I can do that with King Camo. That'd be nice. Although that video never got uploaded because the file stopped uploading on YouTube. There, just went a bit wrong, honestly. You've got part 1 though, so enjoy that. Right, no, so I think this is Wild Gustave. Yeah, I think that's kind of the issue with this series, honestly, as a whole. A lot of the characters just look very similar to ones they've done previously. Like, the camouflage, I can't tell them apart. Like, Zazu, Wild Gustave, I can't. Why will you not exit your plastic prison? I thought you'd want to be freer. It's not that bad. You get to go in a Piratix display stand. Sainsbury's. I need to post that on the community tab, actually. Yeah, I managed to nick that from... Not nick, sorry, I did have permission, of course, but get that from Sainsbury's. You were like Iron Bones or something? He's like a musical instrument or something? Yeah, this is Wild Gustave, I'm pretty sure. Or is this Carter Connors? I don't know. Oh. Okay, Felix Fisher. I do really like him. Yeah, he's cool. He's just in a boat. And that fish, he's painted like a Zomerling, that fish is. He also kind of reminds me of Red off of Angry Birds. Right, let's see what we've got on here. The surprise character is... Who are you? I'm usually a lot better with the names, but I'm not this time. Who are you? I don't know. Boony Hound. That's a very strange name. Should we get characters out of this character pack? I've got the vehicles out, but not these guys yet. Right. Harry K. Boom. Okay, yeah, he's pretty damn cool. Similar accessory to Big Tusk, actually. I've just been catapulted across the room. There's Captain Legolas. Lord of the Rings, that reference, apparently. I mean, I've not seen Lord of the Rings, so I can't confirm that, but yeah, it sounds like it. Yeah, he's pretty cool. Got like a target thing on his back. Yeah, he's cool. Is Eugene Hunter again. Have you... Wait, is this a new colour? Maybe, possibly, in some universe. Oh, I don't know. There's just a pile here of just things, so I'm not sure. And then you're like Donny Hoof or someone. Right, 1 pack. 1 pack. Come on, King Khan. I can't get them out. Billy Bucket. I'm still yet to get a captain or a colour changer in these 1 packs, which is slightly concerning. Would like to. What's your name? Bryce Wayne. Yes, of course, reference to Bruce Wayne, I believe. The thing, isn't it? Yeah. Right. get through all this in the video. Yeah, why not? Right, let's just collect all these bits together, because there's a lot that just comes flying out of here that you've got to try and make sense of. Okay, yeah, this is cool. This is like the dragonfly buggy. Ooh, that's nice. Like a separate... Exciting times. That's surround. Oh no, it's not. It's because it's like it's like bones, but it's not. That's clever. It's a dragonfly at the same time. I see. You're clever, Magic Box. Where does the flag go, please? Okay, this kind of feels like they were just running out of places to put because they can't put it on the wings. You can't put it on the head because it looked really obnoxious. So you just shove it in the tail. That seems like an interesting choice. Good. Now the crossbow. Which are kind of just rehashed cannons, if we're honest. If we connect this, make the connection. I'm losing the plot. Good. We've finally got one to click. There we go. Actually, was a lot easier than the other ones. Then you can shove it in either of the things. I just put it in the left and right. Right one. Yes. I know directions. Yay! Right. Oh yeah, another slight printing error. You can see the Piratix logo at the bottom there. No one cares though. Or do they? Iron bones, maybe a new colour. I don't know. I thought we're doing these one pack at a disproportionate rate. No captains or colour changes yet. That is worrying, honestly. Wait, how am I supposed to open? Where's the indentation? Oh, there it is, but it's not. It's like covered up. That's weird. There we are, colour changer, finally. Right, I'm gonna say this is Carter Connors. I can never remember though, honestly, the who's who. Let's get the characters out of the character pack, shall we? Will be nice. Somos los Piratix! Right, snail beats. It's a bit random, but I like it. John Slow. Who are you? Rick Boomer. I'm just thinking of the Superman character. And then, Captain McBrave. Yes, that's his name. In the Amazon box of doom. Right, what's going on over here? Why are you all over here? You're from part 1. You need to be in the pile of chaos. Right. 30 minutes. Shall we just get this done? Yeah. We should. Right. Let's see what we've got here. Zazu. You've got a tail like Lucy Hook from Golden Treasure. Yeah, I like the massive open mouth. Tommy Hawk, and then the blind character, Billy Blinder, that's his name, and it's the surprise. What's your name? No one knows. No, I don't know. There's a lot of characters that are just like human characters, just kind of blend together in this series. Crazy Jungle, you had like loads of animals. And this series is mainly humans, and I'm struggling to tell them apart, honestly. Please, I've never, from one of these like dying loads of these, I've never got an ultra rare before in a one pack. That's something I still need to do. I should have done by now. Centipede. It does not look like a centipede. Oh, that's weird. We are getting towards the end of the one pack. Still no captain. Actually, are we getting towards the end? I don't know. Not we're kind of there. Kind of. Finally, Captain Black Willy with the same colour accessory, so it's completely a duplicate. Joy. Oh, we've got King Camo's treasure. No, I can feel the sword. Boop. I'm going to say Felix Fisher because it kind of looks like a fishing rod, that weapon. Yep, I am correct. Although it is a new colour this time. No longer reminds me of the Angry Bird Red. Oh, does it? Right. I feel like we've not done all the 4-packs here. But, because... Have we... No, yeah, right. So we've got... How many 4-packs? How many 4-packs? Yeah, we've got 2 here. Captain Pack here. Captain Pack here. Oh dear, what happened here? Just been like... I've not done that. Wasn't me doing that. That's done itself. I mean, I can't really complain. I've ordered these from Spain. Got to get them here somehow, so... Fair enough. I haven't, like, put one that I've not opened here, have I? I feel like I've not opened 4 4-packs. Yeah, maybe I have, actually. Maybe I have. Right. Shall we have this one? No, is this Connor's? See, this is what I mean. I just cannot tell the Camera Flash crew apart. I'm still Captain Pack. I'm too confused by the 4-packs. Right, here's the things without the things. I know, good title. Wow. Paper's really not doing a very good job of keeping them in it. Shall we do these before we forget? Maybe, yeah. Oh gosh. Oh wow. Quack Sparrow, new colour. Loogie Boing, dupe. Now got some very interesting faces in these unboxings. Captain Aardrock and Hank Glider. Good. Yeah, that does that. Can't say much else, honestly. Shoves the thing forward. Get out of here. Where are the... So, let's see if we can assemble this crossbow. Oh gosh, that is a challenge. Am I doing this correctly? I'm not, am I? There we go. Wait, what? No, I am doing this correctly. I am doing it correctly. I'm really getting confused with these like flags and everything. But yeah, that does that. Hey, I hit the camera quite directly there. Good job, me. This one's a bit less hard to tell from its original counterpart. But yeah, because it's quite a different thing. It's still pretty colour, just reskinned it. Shall we do a 1-pack? Why not? Where's the opening thing? Why is this so hard to open? Harry K. Boom. I think that's a new colour. Looks new. 4-pack. Oh, we get another Steven Seagull.